If you are not doing this one thing, you are setting yourself up for failure. What's up, guys? It's your man Tricky T, and I'm an artist currently trading forex to fund my music. And the goal for this year is $100,000. Come with me on this journey. If you're new here, like, comment, subscribe. It does a lot for the channel. Thank you. You are far too kind. All right, let's go into the video. Short one as usual. If you are not doing this one thing, you are already setting up yourself for failure, and that is setting how much you are willing to risk on a trade. That is, okay, for every trade you take, how much am I willing to risk? That is the first thing you need to even think about before you enter into any trade. Okay, so for this trade, I'm willing to lose $100 or $200. Like, you have that at the back of your mind first. That will now let you know if the trade is worth taking. Remember the rule, every trade should be a minimum of a 2 to 1. That is, if you are risking $100, you make minimum of $200 or more. So when you now identify your risk, you now know if it's worth taking the trade, because you're like, okay, so I'm risking $100 to make how much? $150. Is it worth it? To make $130, is it worth it? You understand? So the idea is, your risk is the foundation of every trade, right? So that you know that if this goes against me, I'm losing this. Now, a lot of traders have blown their accounts because of this thing. They just look at the setup, it looks really nice, and they just dive in. You know, they're not thinking about risk. They're not thinking about the fact that, okay, what if this goes against me, right? And that's the reason why you see them just enter a trade, stop loss is open. And to be honest, I used to be guilty of this thing before. I just take trades because I feel like market is going in my direction, and then I don't have a stop loss. I just enter into the market, and then, you know, market will not reverse. And because I did not have any defined risk on that trade, I'll be like hoping that it will reverse, and then I'll keep losing. And by the time I decide to close the trade, I've lost so much. You understand? So the basic thing as a trader, the one thing you do is, okay, what's the risk in every trade? That will even help you take better trades, because some trades, when you look at it, the setup might look interesting and juicy, but the risk, is it worth it? Are you willing to lose 300 pips or 200 pips, 100 pips to make 150 pips? You get that? Yeah. So this one thing, knowing the risk before getting into the trade, is the one thing that a lot of traders lack, and that's what they need to really fix and determine before taking a trade. Hope this helps you. All right, thank you for watching. Like I said earlier on, like, comment, subscribe. It does a lot for the channel. Until I come your way again, see you on the profitable side of trading. Peace out.